Mic check 1 2 1 2. Oh, Canada.
From the land of the lost, Trans-Canada cross, patriotic and I honor with my hand on my heart. From the greatest of lakes, to the greenest of greens, to the rockiest mountains and everything in between. Oh, Canada, oh, you know fan of us? Cause our movie and TV shows, they're so amateur. Yeah, we laugh it off, that don't really bother me. Look, we ain't serious unless we really gotta be. Like kids in the hall, like Jim Carrey, Mike Myers, hell, we're claiming them all. The great white north, home of the funniest actors. The front of the joke with an abundance of laughter. The great white flag, keep it high, keep it visual. People say Canada and get stereotypical. Think we finish every sentence with buddy or bye. And if it ain't that, it's either Jude A or Guy.
Connecticut A.
Yeah, we consider it people. And smoking marijuana, we consider it legal. Still doing rap like the 1990s, but that's how we like it off time, then grimy.
I told y'all before,
and I tell you,
North of America, hard to ignore.
Every time I go away, I tell them for sure
I'm from Canada. Oh, 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 Canada.
Oh, Canada. Oh, 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 Canada.
I'm from Canada. Oh, 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 Canada. When class makes a sick beat,
we call it a classic.
When class makes a sick beat,
we call it a classic.
When class makes a sick beat,
we call it a classic.
When class makes a sick beat,
we call it a classic.
I've been around the globe and I've heard of confusion. Honestly, a lot of y'all are ignorant or stupid. Yes, we have microwaves, TVs, and cell phones. Unintelligent fucks. We invented the telephone. We made Yahtzee, the light bulb, hockey, and bred the greatest players from Gretzky to Crosby. We've all got at least one drinking buddy, and after one drink, all of us think we're funny. Our national mascot's Dan Beaver. Oh, Canada, we love our beaver. The home of Ellis Angels and RCMP, home of Gordon Lightfoot and Nessie TV. The Underground Railroad, George St. Pierre, right here's where he calls home.
Our healthcare system, y'all know it's free.
Keep our girls banging with a full mouth of teeth. Music in the streets, they say hip-hop is dead. Nah, it's up north with me. I can do this all day, it's a part of my routine, but supper's almost done,
and tonight, poutine! I know where I'm from, and I told y'all before, North of America, hard to ignore. Every time I go away, I tell them for sure, I'm from Canada, oh, 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 Canada.
Oh, 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 Canada.